presenting a pre-owned 2017 Ford Explorer Sport. This four-door SUV has a six-cylinder, 3.5-liter V6 engine with all-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Ford has less than 154,000 kilometers on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 16 miles per gallon in the city and 22 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, smartphone integration, navigation system, wireless data link, roof rails, power windows, rear privacy glass, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, digital odometer, external temperature display, battery saver, tow hooks, trailer hitch, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, child seat anchors, parking sensors, seatbelt force, limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.
Thank you for choosing First Canadian Auto Sales and Service.